a bite? Good morning. Are you hungry? Want some breakfast? I have some new hot sauce to try with this. Goldenrey Gooseberry Sunfire Hot Sauce, Oceanside, California. I've never had gooseberry before. Well, I have. I just don't remember it. I like how they sealed the cap. I did another video with this brand by the ocean. These people really pay attention to details. I like that. It's like a little golden cap. Wow. Okay. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh. I opened this bottle because I was like, it's kind of rainy here. I know you can't see with the glare. But I was like, maybe this will light up my life. It just lighted. It only needs a little bit. It's hot. It's got like a thick consistency. Get out, get out, get out, get out. Ooh, 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 shit. Shh. Don't tell anybody. Oh, that tastes so good. That tastes like heat, but spicy. Maybe it's like a habanero, or I don't want to guess. Habanero, garlic, onions, vinegar, gooseberries. I love this. It does have like a little fragrant habanero taste to it. I really like this. It's got like a deep aftertaste, it's a spiky burn, but like a low, slow burn to it. It's complex. Oh my god, this is provolone cheese and squash. It's so good on cheese. I may never eat provolone cheese without this sauce again. I'm like, this would be really good with like French onion soup. You know what I mean? I'm gonna show you guys how to make this in my next video. Okay, yeah. Goldenrey Gooseberry Sunfire Sauce. Thanks, guys. It was good.